Hello everyone, my name is Giavi Alferi and today we will discuss complexity about tax collection starting from the definition, like bill business, purpose, billing process to the types of action that can be carried out by the tax authorities. This topic is very important to understand, especially for taxpayers who want to know how the billing mechanism is carried out by the state. First is definition. Tax collection is a series of actions carried out by tax officials to force taxpayers to pay off tax debts and their collection costs. This action is carried out because the taxpayer does not fulfill his obligation within the specific period of time. Simply put, tax collection is the last effort by the government to ensure that tax revenue continues to run, especially when taxpayers do not pay their tax voluntarily. Okay, next, tax collection law. Tax collection is regulated in the General Provision and Taxation Procedures Act (UU-KUP) and its derived regulations, such as Law Number 19, Year 2000 about tax collection with first letter. With the legal basis, every act of billing has a full force and it's protected by state regulation. This ensures that the billing process is carried out fairly, transparently, and still respect the right of taxpayers. Next is tax collection purpose. Tax collection has several main purposes, namely, ensure that state revenue runs according to the target because taxes are the biggest source of income. Encourage the regulation and compliance of taxpayers so that every person or entity carries out their obligation on time. Provides a deterrent effect for taxpayers who do not comply so that in the next year they do not return to arrears. Upholding justice because every taxpayer who delays payment will burden the state and other communities. Next is tax billing process. The tax collection process is not done suddenly but through several systematic stages. Next is tax collection with reprimand or letter of appeal. This is the initial stage when the taxpayer has not paid his tax after being given a tax determination letter. Taxpayers are given the opportunity to pay off their tax debts without coercions. Next is instant and stimulate billing. It is done if the taxpayer is considered to have an indication to avoid paying tax, such as trying to escape, moving property, or dissolving the company. In this condition, all tax debts can be billed directly without waiting for the due date. Next is publication of first letters. First letters is an advanced stage. Reprimand is ignored. This letter has the same legal force as the court decision and forces the taxpayer to pay his debt. After the first letter is issued, the taxpayer is given 2 to 1,004 hours to pay off the tax. Next is confiscation. If within 24 hours the taxpayer still does not make a payment, the FIS has the right to confiscate the taxpayer's property. Confiscation is carried out based on legal provision and only on assets that have economic value. Next is asset auction. If after being confiscated, the taxpayer still does not pay off his tax debt, the assets that have been confiscated will be auctioned through the state auction office. Funds from the auction process are used to pay off tax debts and other billing costs. Next is rights and obligations of taxpayers in billing. Even though billing is mandatory, taxpayers still have rights such as obtain a copy of the first letter, receive human treatment and according to procedures, submit an objective objection or installment request if it meets the requirement, but on the other hand, taxpayers are required to provide access to necessary data and assets, pay off tax debts and collection costs, follow the billing process without blocking the officer. For the conclusion, that is the complete explanation of tax collection from the understanding to the implementation process. Tax collection is an important mechanism to maintain tax compliance and the sustainability of national development. Hopefully, this video helped you understand how the government conducts official and structured billing action. Thank you for watching.